Hello everyone, I'm Ejara C. Tulfo Del Monte from BSA 1 and my PE number is 30. In this video presentation, I will explain and demonstrate the 11 components of physical fitness. These components are divided into health-related fitness and skill-related fitness. Each component is important for maintaining a healthy and improving physical performance. Let's talk about health-related fitness components. Number 1 is body composition. Body composition refers to the proportion of fat, muscle, bone, and water in the body. Having a healthy body composition means maintaining a balanced amount of body fat and lean muscle mass through proper diet and regular exercise. Example of an activity that helps improve body composition, such as jogging or jumping jacks, which help burn body fat and strengthen muscles. This illustration is the human body composition. Number 2 is flexibility. Flexibility is the ability of the muscles and joints to move through a full range of motion. Good flexibility helps prevent injuries and improve posture in any movement. I will demonstrate a two-touch stretch. Number 3 is muscular strength. Muscular strength is the ability of a muscle or group of muscles to exert maximum force in a single effort. I will demonstrate a static lunge. Number 4 is muscular endurance. Muscular endurance is the ability of a muscle to perform repeated movements or hold a position for a long time without getting tired. I will demonstrate a squat. Number 5 is cardiorespiratory endurance. Cardiorespiratory endurance is the ability of the heart and lungs to supply oxygen to the body during continuous physical activities. I will demonstrate a high knees. Now, let's proceed to skill-related fitness components. Number 1 is agility. Agility is the ability to quickly change the direction of the body while maintaining control and balance. I will demonstrate a side shuffles. Number 2 is speed. Speed is the ability to move the body quickly from one point to another. I will demonstrate a short sprint. Number 3 is balance. Balance is the ability to maintain body stability whether standing still or moving. I will demonstrate standing on one leg. Number 4 is power. Power is the ability to exert maximum force in the shortest possible time. It combines strength and speed. I will demonstrate a standing long jump. Number 5 is coordination. Coordination is the ability to use different parts of the body together smoothly and efficiently. I will demonstrate a jumping rope. Number 6 is reaction time. Reaction time is the ability to respond quickly to a stimulus or signal. I will demonstrate catching a dropped object. In conclusion, the 11 components of physical fitness help improve our overall health and physical performance. Health-related components focus on maintaining a healthy body, while skill-related components improve athletic ability and movement skills. Regular exercise and physical activity can help develop all the components and lead to a healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching.